Hi guys, my name is Rene and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily create mock-ups and beautiful t-shirt designs. If you are asking yourself how nice it would be to have your t-shirt designs presented on a real person and you just don't have a budget for that, for the photo shooting, then this video is the right one for you. So let's get into it.
So the first thing we need to do is go to Placit. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below, or you can go to moonpixels.net/Placit and you're gonna get here. So the first thing I'm gonna show you how we can create a beautiful t-shirt mockups. I have to tell you that I'm not a designer and this tool really helped me a lot. Sometimes I just don't have a good idea for the t-shirt designs, and here you have a ton of different designs, different mockups, different logos you can customize, and you can get really good ideas for your t-shirts. So let's go create our first mockup. We have to go to mockups, click t-shirts, and here we have a ton of different models. I'm just gonna scroll down a little bit and choose one. Okay, I'm gonna choose this guy here. And as you can see, on your right side, you can choose your t-shirt color. In this case, I'm gonna choose black one. And on your left side, you can choose your design for your t-shirt. So let's hit upload image. I have one design already prepared here on my desktop, so I'm gonna choose it. Click open. And here we have option to shrink the logo or design and to move it around. I'm just gonna move it a little bit up and leave it like that. And when we are satisfied with it, you just click crop. And here's the magic. We have a beautiful t-shirt design and a picture. So the next thing we have to do is just click download. Now we have two options. The first one, we can buy a single mockup for which we're gonna pay $7.95, or we can choose a monthly subscription which is $14.95 or yearly which is $99.95. I think this tool is really worth it. As I told you, I'm using it for quite some time and it really saved me a lot of time. So when you click download, you get the full high resolution picture in PNG, which you can use for commercial use. Get some things going like printing t-shirts and stuff like that. So what else I would like to show you is how to create a t-shirt design from scratch. So because I'm already a subscriber, I just want to show you some other thing. So I'm just gonna log in. And now we're gonna create our own design for a t-shirt. We go for a design, t-shirt design. We could choose from a variety of different designs. As you can see here, there are unlimited designs from which you can choose. Let's take one of these, for example. And also here you can choose your background. Let's say we want a green one. And we can also choose from different pictures. I love beer, so we're gonna choose beer. And on the left side you can create your own text, like let's say I love beer, and we can also make a different color in this glass. Let me show you just example, like this, or even more lighter, like this. And when you're happy with your design and the picture, you hit download. As you can see, no watermark, high resolution PNG picture, okay for commercial use. So click download. We have to wait for a little bit that Placit do its magic. So our download is prepared. We click here and we have it, our own design, which we can use for our t-shirt. Let's click on it, and here we have it. So this is it. This is all the magic, and there's a ton of different options you can do on Placit. For example, we can also do some other mockups, for example for your iPhone or for your iPad. There are really a lot of versions you can choose from, so that's what I love about. So this is it.
I hope the video was helpful for you, and if you like it, just feel free to hit the like button and subscribe so we can see you in the next videos.